Hello world. Good day. Today more have to touch upon the Masicka and the Tamales clash. You know, some that gonna leave there's something there alone. But I'm gonna touch upon it briefly. I mean pantily. Alright. So what me I say right now, I call it a tie. You understand me? I'm not gonna go into too much details because I too much tales. You understand me? Yeah man. We call it a tie. I'm not talk about a bow tie or a shoe tie. Me I talk about a tie in the competition. You overs me. Me I go no the rundown. Alright. Yes a weep out. Yeah man, give them the breakdown. Alright, so me I go to the breakdown why I call it a tie. Alright? I call it a tie because Tamale bad enough. Tamale full of argument. A be things in my saying. Masicka on the other hand, full of lyrics. I be lyrics in my spit. But here with Masicka now. But I understand why with some people that say Masicka win. Because you see Masicka, him have a certain type of clarity. Yeah man, when him a chop, him have a certain type of clarity. When him DJ, you can hear actually everything what him a saying. Yeah man, not true with that. Him easy to listen to. I lie me I tell my father. And I lie. Him voice easy to digest in your hearing man. When you listen to it, when your brain digest it fast. And like Tamale, yeah man, talk no man, go and tell him what go on man. Me so put in my 2 points. Yeah, so people that say Masicka win. But me I go show you why me say Masicka and Tamale tie. And none of them know we need it, you know? You see why them tie? Tamale full of argument. Tamale have certain aggression and a type of voice when I'm harder to hear, I'm harder to listen to. So if you not listen good, you gotta say Tamale no win. You gotta say a Masicka, I show all of the punch them. But what you have to do, you have to take your time and listen to the art man. And nothing for rushing on my people, my father. You see when you listen to them scratch on my father, you have to listen to what the man them a say. Tell them to weep out. Yeah man, a true man. You have to comfortable to your ears man. I'm gonna show you why. So yo, my father. Alright, so let me elaborate on the part then of my father. Alright, Weepo. You want to talk? You want to talk about the part that Weepo? Alright, Repo. Take the floor, Repo. So what you have to say? Alright, so this is how my dad tell Agla. Mama, my dad tell her earlier, you see, me as a youth, you see me the younger Agla, me used to listen to enough music, especially American rap music. Let me say, when we start listening to rap music, right? My favorite artist was 50 Cent, you know. Because you see, everything with 50 Cent say, I can hear him. So me I say, yeah man, I like 50 Cent because that's why you like 50 Cent, because you can hear everything. Then that's something, then that me I talk about. But you have to tell them everything. Yeah man, you have to tell them you have to explain it. Pantily, all the way, not briefly. So, I'm a co-host. And right now, we are trying to get to one conclusion. So, do you think? So we have to say, well, Paul. Alright, my father, man. So, what me I say? Just listen, man. Me I say, listen to 50 Cent, right? So, you say 50 Cent, him have a lot of clarity. So, when anybody asks me, say, who are the best rapper for the longest, me used to come like one little fool, you know. Me used to tell people, say, a 50 Cent are the better rapper, you know, my G. Time that me never really know, say, Eminem way sicker than Eminem, you know. Eminem way sicker than 50 Cent. Me never know, say, I run laps around him. But guess what? Me never know that now, my father. I could understand nothing what Eminem was saying, no, my father. I could understand nothing Eminem was saying, man. So it's like, if you ask me, if you ask me which one of them are the better one, I just say, yo, a 50 Cent. Because he might tell you everything we can hear. He have a song where he say, how his song go again? He said, all I need, little mama, just a little bit. Not a lot, just a little bit. Then he come back again, you know. And him say the next thing when I say, if you look closely, he said, yeah, him say, hold on, him say, it's easy to see when you look at me, but if you look closely, 50 don't back down. Everywhere I go, coast to coast, east side, west side, I'm on that Mac down. Every little nigga you see, hold a gun big enough to phone no shot. Yeah, so yeah, man, me I hear man. Just say what you have to say, man. Yeah, basically I try to tell me same easy if you understand. But where I say, yeah, my father, I'm full of clarity, man. So me I say, Eminem I talk beer madness in a cause I can't understand him, you know. And until me get a little all on my father. One day me in the car driving on my father. And the reader come on in on my father. And he say, Eminem, come on. The man I sing one song where he must say, yo, what him say? He must say, opportunity once in the lifetime. Lose the moment. Something. He must say, one shot to blow. Da. Mama, this trailer gots to go. I can't get all them Salem lot. I got a formulate a plot like a cine I got. I'm like, yo, me I say, bumbo clap my father. Me I say, yo, goosebumps start tap me in my father. Cause me I say, yo, a long time me I hear the song in my father. Years is in my father, ages in my father. And me never know why me know the song I send to my father. You see when I tune in my father, I key in. Me I say my bumbo cleat my father, man. Me I tell my father, man, people, man, nothing can hold Eminem, man, because I think it's easy for listen to, you know. So Eminem would have come in like the in this situation, the Eminem would have come in like the family. You can't really hear what I say. But the Masicka, everything what I say, you hear what I say, you know. And him a chop too, you know. The Masicka chop, you know. But the Eminem, the family, I chop too. Then that me I try to tell my father. No five people, them not understand what I go on, man. Them not listen good enough my father. And I can't bias, cause I no deal with ass. You know me, I say I can't be classful. I buy classful, but I not buy ass. You understand? I buy fair. And we cheer for who I win and who I chop. You understand me, my father? And the truth me I talk right now. So I can't buy ass, so me explain myself properly. My father. We can't say one of them win and one of them lose. One of them win for the people them who only can understand Masicka, and other man win for the people them who can understand Tamil, the Spartan boss. You understand me as my father? Yeah man. But you see, if everybody can tune in now and understand what Tamil I say, maybe everybody would see a Tamil really win. Like how most people right now I see a Masicka winning on my father. And the reason for that is because everybody can understand Masicka, and really none of them win. What mother do, father? Mother just give two of them a tie, and I'm not talk about no bow tie. So my general, to God be the glory, man. It's clash bad. The man them do them thing, my father, man. You hear me I say weep out? Yeah man. You understand? You agree with me? Yeah man. But I really want to talk about still my father. As me telling my father, but I got a lot of the clash thing and I never gonna talk about it, you know. But you see what I go on right now, my father? Masicka drop a song when I shoot off of the Gaza boss, the world boss, the dancehall king, the goat, the greatest of all time. Yeah, man. Yeah, Masicka shoot off him, wicked man, my father, man. And a long time, I watch Masicka shoot off him, you know. I'm still never seen nothing about it, my father. But you see the last song of Masicka drop, oh God, man. We call it System, oh God, man. Him beat Kartel bad. Him say Kartel beat Lisa Hype and him beat Kim. And him start for thought a whole heap of thing. And chat fly through chin. And him up on the sound and the rhythm. Oh my God, my father, man. Mother say Kartel for law it out, you know. But you see right now, my father, I have a different opinion, my father. And a different worldview upon that, you know, my father. Yeah, man. Mother want to see the real boss take him on, my father. Oh, yeah, so we po. Yeah, man, me I hear you, man. Because as bad as Masicka is, you know, and as clarity, as Masicka full of clarity, the real boss have clarity too. And him can go down in some lyrics too. It'll be a great clash, man. But me know say Masicka would hold the real boss still. Because the real boss thing different, my father, man. Oh, God, man, to God be the glory, man. The real boss are alien, man. Masicka bad. Him have him style and them thing there. Him have him flow, but him need to change the flow there still some my time. You understand me? But me can't take nothing from Masicka. Him just can't go around the real boss yet. I don't think him ever can reach the real boss heights. But Masicka, nonetheless, is a bad artist. You agree with me, or what? Yeah, man. Me I go and hear you, man. Me so state my opinion. Yeah, man, my father, man, me I tell you, say, when the world boss start formulate film lyrics, then my father, you have to wonder if it's a computer-generated brain I'm having on my father. And on a computer-generated in my father. Because I'm from 2000, you might do it before AI in my father. So we know, say, I probably I'll make AI in my father. Oh, God, man, to God be the glory, man. It's a splash of more than one for seeing I'm a general. It's a, but my general. But me don't even know if it's clash I got gwaan in my father. Because it's a cartel right now. I don't know if I run him or run. I'm saying don't run. So that I assume so him not run. But in all love and fairness in war, you don't love to see it. Oh, you mean my father, man? More than one to see it, man. I the same sentiment I share when it come to the world boss. I never really care about the clash with world boss and Masicka. But you see the System song though, the Masicka drop, it have a buzz, man, and enough things in my thought, man. And would I really want the world boss to come and answer that. Cause Kartel is a killer, you know, the war angel, you know. Would I like to see under war with the Masicka, you see me? I am saying the Askel and he make boy run blood run like pastel. Would I want to see where I do, man? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And him support more of the Askel. Police can't lock me up like Mandela, it up me like umbrella. But him still get 13 years. So now him act like him want to be a good boy. But enough of them artists them just put on a persona still. But differently, Kartel persona is not too far from them reality still, you know. In persona, because the police can't lock him up like Mandela and we watch him get locked up. But Masicka persona is not a persona neither still. You understand? Masicka not a persona. He not have that thing like a Kartel, man. He not so confident in the media. Him shy off in the media, man. Him bold. So it's harder for Masicka really run the place and take over, you know. So my father, so you don't want to talk about jahshi and skirdle Sparta them. You know see man them are going with that thing. You know see the song of jahshi drop. The song of jahshi dropping on my father. It's not an easy song in my general. Yeah, man, jahshi striking on my father. And I'm going away, man. I'm not telling a lie. And when them call Devin or Kevin the doctor, or Mevin or whatever I want to name, they need to let go the gate off of the man. They need to let go the gate off of the man. The man a strike me, no know how hold the gate on them, you know. But the dog a strike a thing, you know. He must strike, man. Black Rhino come out with that song in my general. I'm gonna tell us in my general. Black Rhino, in my gwaan. But what I like to see a couple more songs from Rhino. Right now, I think Rhino should have just. Right now, my father, would I like to see the war continue. But guess what? Before I go any further, let's talk about Sean Storm, man. You see Sean Storm, he might blow hurricane right now, no? But even if I storm again, you know, he might go change his name from Sean Storm to Hurricane Sean. Because you see the song that when him drop, I'm my favorite song right now, you know, my father. Anyone me there, I feel like mosquito bite me, you my father. Anytime I feel like I'm stepping on Hans nest, I just start sing the song, then my father. Everything drop around once me itch, hatch, pitch, patch, click, that, click, back, wrist, watch. Oh God, my father, man. Me say anywhere me there, my father. Everywhere me there, people have a TikTok challenge for my father. Sean Storm, him thing a gwaan. I might all create, you know, so me I think of a create a challenge. What you say? But differently, anywhere me there, I'm not afraid to go no when I'm mosquito them my father. Me step in any ants nest my father. Because once I have Hurricane Sean right now, from blood clot repeat right now. When it come to the song that my father, you kill any mosquito, you kill any hands. Me I tell you the truth. Itch, hatch, pitch, patch, slick, that, flick, back, kick, that, wrist, watch. Me I tell you my father, man. Yeah, man, it have a buzz. Me, oh God, man. You have got to study lyrics better than me, no? You have got to study lyrics them better. Because guess what? One of my favorite song right now, my father. One of my favorite song right now. Coming like Hurricane Sean. Him working himself now. Him find himself now. You understand me? Some of the time you try too hard in a life in my father. And some of the time if you just go easy and working on your natural self. And low out this alter ego some of the time. I real talk yeah, man. Low the alter ego some of the time, man. Sean Storm thing shot more like a that. Yeah, man. Every time I scroll up on IG, my father, is a new challenge me see. Is a new person me see. A skit, catch, hip, hatch, kick back, flick back. I tell my father, man. Oh God, man. To God be the glory, man. Sean, I go on a win a weep out. You think we'll pow? Yeah, my father, man. A real talk, man. Me like look at each hatch, pitch, batch, kick back, flick back, wristwatch thing the way I go on, you know. In bad, man. Right now, I don't think none of them can test Sean right now, you know. Sean, a man find him style. A man find who he is, bro. I just say stay, you know. Sometimes we take long to find who's seven of my father. Like me, I know weep out. Yeah. And I like you in the agla. You know, say if you're born, you know yourself in the agla. Then I say me stay my general, man. What you want me to be, man? Me can't be no other way, man. Oh God, man. Can't take on to the education system. Cause anytime you get caught up in the education thing, the institution outside of your brain, out of your institution brain, it a got dumb you down. It a got take you away from your natural senses, brother. So you can't make them teach you too much things. Them only teach you to operate in them society. And that's why enough people don't know themselves. You see, when I'm in school, I try to not pay too much attention in my father. Cause you see, when the teacher start program my brain, my father, I start to lose myself. Right now, my teacher, them not understand how I'm so intelligent. Because them know say, I be if me get in them class, you know. But all of that, them never know say I did on purpose that in my father. Because guess what? Me never want to learn for them thing. Because I know say once them program my brain, them are going to take me from all of my senses them and give me some bandula sense when I now go can think for my own. You understand? Yeah, man, my father, Agla, man. I real talk you're making about. So I go on now. You think you're there to wrap up the interview? Oh God, man. Wanna just tell me in the comment section wanna think about the debate and the conversation. And when I think about Masicka and Tamale, cause like I say, cause I think it's a tie and the tie based pan say everybody can understand Masicka and only a few people can understand Tamale. And it's not really a few, a good amount of people can understand Tamale, but not everybody. You see, if I did everybody, like how everybody can understand Masicka, we would have a different opinion. You understand me, my father? Yeah, man, my father, man, I really talk. Because, remember me I tell you something, I think 50 Cent did better than Eminem, you know? Until me start to understand Eminem, you know? Yeah, man, when I start understand Eminem, no normal, brother. He no normal, none at all. Tamale no normal too, but guess what? Enough people can't to understand him, you understand me? But you see, in the next 10 years, when them catch up to him speed, them are gonna say, yo, Tamale bad. But you see, for right now, a Masicka strike. Because as him said the first letter out of him mouth, them get the full pronunciation. You understand? Him easy and comfortable to listen to. Yeah, man. But that's just my opinion, which is the biggest opinion in the world. Because me I use universal sense and not academical sense. My thing not stay in a box. My thing out. You understand me? You understand me? Weepo, you have anything you want to say? Yeah, man. People big up on yourself, man, and thanks for tuning in. I real talk, I glad making up. He's a smart youth, you know. Some of the time I can't to really disprove him knowledge, you know. Even time me know him knowledge, you know. Even time he don't make no sense. Some of the time, you know, I can't to really dismiss him knowledge, you know. Because he's a youth, we know where I say, you know. He's a youth, we know where I say, man. So big up on yourself, man. Oh, hold on there. One thing more to say to you now, Weepo. It's upon the last episode, you tell people say, you they have to back me up. I want to clear up the argument before I go. You know, they have to back me up, my father. You're my co-host. You understand me? You're my co-host. Just like I'm there to support you. I call it, I'm not tell them, say, it's a podcast me I deal with. How them the pan, man? How do them people here, man? Oh God, man. Why them a call me already, man? You see them things are my people? It's a phone call that me I get, you know? I'ma tell the people them say me live. I tell the people them say me live. And I'm still a call on the live. You know, say them no want me survive. How do them people here, man? Jano, but here what? Enjoy the rest of the day. Because them people here, I call up my phone. Like them not the manners. Take care of yourself, man. That, and cat, and rat. Out. To God be the glory, man. Alright, people, big up on yourself. We are glad that. And now we about this.